It's all of my friends, I'm like royalty. Hope they did not question my loyalty. Me stay firm like a almond tree. Dogs, them not worry about them loyalty. Me treat all of my friends, I'm like royalty. Hope me chillin', no question my loyalty. Me stay firm like a almond tree. Never switch, no sell out, that's a guarantee.
We're on a field trip this week, and Maypen Clarendon is our location. That's right, you've just logged into Pree Dis. And for the next half hour, it's all about entertainment and lifestyle. Follow me to the town of Maypen. For all you tech-savvy persons who admire high-end phones, Digicel has launched the new Samsung Galaxy S10. We were at the launch. Let's hear more about the phone and its amazing features.
Samsung continues to push the boundaries of innovation and technology with the release of the revolutionary S10 smartphone. And I want to congratulate their enterprising team of engineers for once again coming up with what is expected to be another crowd pleaser. Our customers are already calling when we will get a Samsung S10 to buy. And I'm very pleased to let our customers know that as of today, of course, it will be available in selected Digicel stores across the country.
Samsung doing the Caribbean.
Right now, Samsung is continuously growing in the Caribbean markets. We are #1 in all of the Caribbean markets, as Mr. Parkinson mentioned here. But also we are #1 in the Puerto Rico, Dominicana, the Bahamas, and as well in Jamaica. So basically, we are maintaining our position, delivering innovative products, not only in the flagship segment, but also in the medium and the low segments with the new Galaxy A family of devices.
Is Jamaica a profitable market for you?
Perfect, yes, of course.
Of the three, which is the more popular, the one that's more in demand by consumers right now?
Right now, since we launched the three devices, the most popular tends to be the S10 Plus.
Why is that?
It looks like the people want the biggest screen, and of course the 5 cameras that we have in the Galaxy S10 Plus, because we have 5, 3 in the back and 2 in the front in the S10 Plus, and in the S10 and S10e we have 3 in the back and 1 in the front in the S10, and 2 and 1 in the S10e. So probably the people want more power on the camera, because the people is looking to transmit and share the moments that they have with their loved one, with their families, with their colleagues.
That one amazing thing about the Galaxy S10 that it does that no other phone does.
Well, one of these amazing things is the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. The other devices in the market has fingerprint in the screen. That's true, but they have a 2D technology in the fingerprint sensor. We are introducing the ultrasonic 3D fingerprint sensor, which means that the device makes a 3D version of your fingerprint, and compare with the one that it have is storage in the memory. We are always committed to continue innovating. That's part of our core values. Then we think that we will be continuing working with our business partners to develop the markets, to continue upselling the segments to continue moving from 2G to 3G and then from 3G to LTE networks. And of course, delivering devices affordable in all of the segments for the final customer.
Customers can expect another awesome product from Samsung. They've really stepped it up several notches with the S10 when you consider all of the capabilities that Manuel would have spoken about earlier. For us, it's our responsibility to ensure that we have the network that can power all of the possibilities of the Samsung S10. And that's precisely why Digicel continues to roll out super fast LTE mobile data service right across Jamaica, while we're also more than doubling speeds in parts of Kingston and St. Andrew, and at the same time ensuring that we have the widest coverage across Jamaica. It's the awesome new technology you're talking about, for instance, the wireless charging from the phone itself, so that your earphones, your smartwatch can also be wirelessly charged. That's a big deal for the customer because you're talking about additional convenience for the customer. So the smartphone has gotten even smarter with the Samsung S10 device. And the truth is, when it comes on to Samsung, it is still the smartphone of choice for Digicel customers. Just about 33% of the smartphones on our network are Samsung phones.
How much do you sell each year? A lot of phones?
A whole lot of Samsung phones and phones in general. The truth is that as new phones come out, our customers get very excited about the offer. And so we're already beginning the distribution of these phones to our business customers. But of course, consumers have not been left out. They can visit selected Digicel stores and get their hands on the device right now.
Why selected Digicel stores?
Well, look, selected Digicel stores because the large stores are mainly in major population centers where customers can come in and have a true experience with the device. So it's not just about purchasing the S10, it's also about experiencing it. So you go into a store, you meet with a data doctor, they walk you through the features and the specifications of the device, and you make your selection.
Galaxy S10, the next generation Galaxy.
It's now time to hear about another health benefit of drinking water.
This health benefit of drinking water is brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water. When you consume water in the morning, you help your kidneys out by providing it with the ability to cleanse away the toxins which are built up while you slept. When you eliminate these toxins from your body, your overall blood circulation becomes better because your body does not require as much energy to remove the harmful waste. In addition to this, an increase in fluid intake will increase the volume of urine that goes through the kidneys, which will dilute any minerals you have in there. In doing so, you prevent the formation of kidney stones. This health benefit of drinking water was brought to you by Crystal Punch Refreshing Spring Water.
Up next, it's KaleX, and we roll out a new video from Dehshh. We'll be right back.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some Galapagos. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we be Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a stock. Take charge, take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.